Welcome all of you, and now in this session I want to show you in your system after installing Java where Java will appear. When you will open your system C drive, if you open the C drive, there inside the program files there will be a folder called Java, and inside the Java here the different version of Java what you installed that will appear. Here I want to use JDK 1.8. So if I'll open, I told you there will be two important folder. One is the bin and second one is JRE. Inside the bin folder you have all the tools. More than 64 tools are available here. Here, if you will search, you will get your Java C, Java, that all tool. This is your Java C. Like that, you can see there will be Java doc, Java H, Java. This is your Java doc, Java H, Java P. All tools are available here. And in the same way inside JRE, if you open, there will be one lib folder, and inside the lib folder you have one very important file called rt.jar. This is your JRE runtime environment. So under the JRE folder you will see Java runtime environment file. This up to bin, if you want to use your Java, if you want to compile and run, so up to this stage the path, you will open your cmd command prompt, and from there temporarily you can set the path. Here I am setting the path, set path equal to dot semicolon and the value what I copied up to bin, and enter. Now all the tools what are available there you easily can access. Suppose here I want to create on the notepad, I want to create one program. This program, suppose I am writing here public class student, and here I want to write one public static void main. And here I'm going to string arg, and here I want to print some message, suppose system dot out dot println, and here I'm printing suppose hello. After that here closing both the this one. Now I will save my file. One thing keep in mind, when you will save your file name should match with the class name. See here, I am ready to save. I want to save on desktop suppose, and here my file name extension will be always .java, and yes, it is ready. Now here on my command prompt I am ready to compile. So first I will go to desktop, and there I am ready to compile, write Java C, and my file name is student.java. And if I'll compile, yes, compilation done. There are no error. Now I'm using here Java, and I already told you you will use your class name. Class name we will use without dot class extension. And yes, what the message you have written hello, yes, it is printing. Now what I want to do in same program, what I want to do here, this message I want to print from command line. So command line, from command line whatever value you will pass, that will come to this array. So here I want to write suppose arg of 0. Now this value again I want to compile here. See, I want to compile here. If I will compile here, so no issues, it will compile. But when I will run, if I'll write there Java and that class name, it will show an exception. See, exception, array index out of bound, because I'm using here 0, but that 0 value I'm not passing. So here it is expecting you will pass the value. Suppose now I am passing the value hello, or I am passing here ITC, suppose, and will enter, then yes, that value it is printing. So in this way, you will pass the value to your command line and will execute. Now inside this, you can declare your all the global variable here. I am going to declare here the global variable which will be inside the class. I am writing here int I equal to 9. Second, int j equal to suppose 8. So this is the global variable. Here I am declaring this variable inside a method. So it is a local variable, or I am declaring here int k equal to, if I will not assign value, it will give error. Means if I will not assign and will use value of k, it will show error. See here, I am not going to assign. And here I want to use value of k. So see, with plus sign, I want to use here, giving some space. And suppose value of k I want to use. And if I will compile this, if I will compile the program, then see here, if I will compile, then here it will show an error. It is saying variable k might not have been initialized. So for local variable, you have to give value. Means for this variable, you have to give value. If you will not give value, then it will not allow you to compile. Now yes, compilation done, no problem. In the same way, for global variable, if will not give, then yes, no problem, you can access. Here global variable, for some time, okay, I am using with static. One static, second non-static. And here for static, I am not giving any value. And now I want to use here, I want to use suppose value of j also. So for value of j, it will not show any problem. See, I am going to compile, it is not showing any problem here. However, I have not given any value to j. So it automatically will initialize value of j here. Hope you are able to understand and you are comfortable how to assign global variable, how to assign local variable. So hope you are comfortable. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.